Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is very helpful for all related to TCS Ninja Digital 2023 batch latest interview experience of 16th September and yesterday. What are the most asked questions that is related to the Ninja or Digital? And there are some tricky plus basic questions in the TCS Ninja or Digital interview. So we already updated so many videos on our channel that is related to experiences. So you can check that. And we already uploaded TCS Digital interview experience in which so many candidates take the related to the interview experience and they also share their interview experience as well, and we are providing tomorrow 44 slots are available for the TCS live mock interview. You can crack TCS Ninja plus digital interview easily. So many candidates completed their live mock interview and they share their feedback like interview was nice, thank you sir for taking my interview and giving feedback about my interview. Okay, very good experiences. So it's just only at 80 rupees. We are not increasing price like 100, 200, or 300 rupees. It's only about for the candidates. We are doing lot of efforts for all of you, so you can check the TCS live mock interview, link is in the description. Let's start and discuss about the TCS Ninja digital interview experience. One of the most important point, like I talked to so many candidates that they completed their interview yesterday and today, so they are only mentioning that the resume, from resume there is a 80 to 90% questions are from resume. Second, the projects. Third is the internships. Fourth is other activity in which extracurricular activity or your hobbies related questions or some of the different new technology related questions are asked. There is a technical domain if you are from CSIT branch or CS or IT related branch. If you are from non-tech domain, so there is a project related question, internship related question, as well as your some of the technical related questions, but at the basic level. And if you are from, suppose if you are from mechanical branch, so most probably they ask some questions related to your branch also. And if you are from technical domain, so most probably they ask questions from some of the top subjects like DBMS, OS, and the computer network, data structures, all about that. Okay. So the next important point is like what are the TR questions in the today's interview. I talked to candidate and he shared me like most of the questions in the TR itself are from resume. One of the most important point. If you are from CSIT branch, so prepare any one programming language very well. Okay, if you are from non CSIT, so you should also at least a knowledge of particular some of the programming language. But when you mention like you are proficient in any of the programming language, like they are asking question in which PL programming language you are proficient, so candidates say I am proficient in Python. So the next question is from the Python, what are the advantages of Python. Okay, and he is also mentioned the DBMS as a subject because he is from the IT branch. Okay, so what is SQL versus MySQL? What is big data? Voice is Boyce code normal form. That is a BCNF normalization related question. Object oriented programming basic. I give friends, I am suggesting you one trick or one tip for all of you. You can apply in your interview while explaining any of the answer. When you explain any of the answer, so you have to add one example with that. Okay, this is very useful and this will increase your weightage of your answer. It is very helpful for you also as well as for your interview also. Because मान लीजिए हमें इंदौर से मुंबई जाना है, सो हम यही देखते हैं ना कि मतलब क्या बोलते हैं हमें कौन सा पाथ चूज करना है, हम ट्रेन से जा सकते हैं, बस से जा सकते हैं, या हम डिफरेंट सोर्स से ले सकते हैं. दिस इज रिलेटेड टू दैट. ओके, so what are the MR questions? So in the MR questions there is a basic situation based questions here, and there is internship and projects related questions also. Okay, so means the project and internship related questions are also there. And one of the most important point, if you want to give your live mock interview, so the link in the description, you can book slot. 44 slots are available. Okay, so if I talk about the project and internship, So you have to very proficient. I am just giving you one example. Like you are saying I done the project on the IoT, I done project on the JS JavaScript. So you have knowledge of this both technologies also, like what are the data types in it. And you have to search the top interview question of JavaScript, because most probably if you mention any of the technology, if you mention any of the technology in your resume, so most probably they ask so many questions from that. So you have to prepare very well, because from the for the non CSIT branch student, they are mainly focuses on the project and internship. And for the CSIT student, they are also they are mainly focuses on the technical domain as well as projects plus internship. So this is the HR questions for the ninja role opportunity. And if I talk about, so that tell me something which is not a part of your resume. This is a basic tricky question. Okay, they are saying like you have to mention which is not a part of your resume. What are you doing to increase your communication skills? This is very important. Are you willing to relocate? These are the some repeated question. Why TCS? There are so many MNCs, Accenture, Infosys, Capgemini, Cognizant, but why TCS? Okay, so this is related to the Ninja interview completely, and this is related to some of the important topics. But one candidate shared in the comment section their TCS digital interview. Hope it will useful. Yes, it will very helpful for the candidates, because there are some tricky questions or some difficult questions that you face. Tell me about yourself. SQL versus MySQL. Query to display all table from an already created database. SQL subqueries. I did not get what he was asking, and he said it was DML, 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 DDL commands and all. Okay, so SQL subqueries, he mentioned that about your project. Mine was on ML and other one was on front end based. Advantages of Python. You can check, like most probably what are the some tricky based question they ask. They are asking query based questions also, programming question also, and depending upon what you mention in your resume, most probably they ask so many questions from here. Definitely. Okay, so what are the MR questions? So difficulty faced while making a project based on your strength a question. What if you were elected as a leader? As in my resume I mentioned that I am a team worker rather than leader. This type of questions are also asked in the TCS digital interview or TCS interview. So this is the HR question that are very similar to the previous interview. Why TCS? Ask about my GPA, that is a grading point system. Strength and weakness. Are you okay with reallocation? Are you good with any shift? This is the candidate mentioned important note. Please carry your application and resume. Also refer to OOPS concepts and SQL based on your programming language and project, and your intro happens accordingly. All the best for your upcoming participants for the interview. I already suggested friends in the previous video that most probably most questions are from this topic, and we are always working for all of you, and we are always providing good videos for all of you. We want support from all of you. Please like and share these videos with your friends. Your one like always motivate me to make some new videos for all of you. I hope this video is useful for everyone. The like target is 1000 like on this video, and please share this video with your friends. Best of luck for your interview from online learning team book slots. Thanks for watching the video.